Pronouncement of judgment on CM Arvind Kejriwal has officially begun. The AOR Vivek Jain for the Kejriwal and the ASG SV Raju for the CBI have presented in the court before the CJN. Also, based on the judgments, the court has framed 3 questions. Remember, it's important to understand the proceedings that have been underway. The court says that the 3 questions that have been presented says whether there was an illegality in the arrest. This in fact was also raised the last time the hearing was underway. The another question that has been posed before the court is that whether appellant should be allowed regular bail, which is the Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal in this case, and whether the filing of charge sheet in this case in the circumstances is enough to relegate to the bail. Joining me right now is my colleague at this point of time, and the pronouncement of the verdict which is going to come in Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's challenge to the CBI arrest and his bail plea will be shortly. And as of now, what we can understand that the Kejriwal's arrest is valid and there is no legality are the statements that are coming from the apex court. And as the hearing has begun on the Delhi Chief Minister's bail plea, it remains very significant to observe the kind of judgment that is going to be pronounced today in the view of the expectation that has been mounting over the release of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has been in jail in connection with the charges that have been leveled in the now scrapped Delhi excise scam and the policy. We can understand that the Supreme Court is making the key observations where they are also saying that there has been prolonged incarnation of these charges which have been leveled against Kejriwal, and the bench is reading the verdict in the Kejriwal bail case. Joining me right now on the broadcast is my colleague Brian Thomas. Brian, the Supreme Court has begun pronouncing and citing the observations in the case of Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea and following his arrest against and by the CBI. What are the latest that you are tracking and what is expected shortly thereafter?
Well, Simran, definitely it has started, and again the latest that we are letting you know that Supreme Court has granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal in the CBI case, and even the the bench that was that had Justice Surya Kant and even Ujjwal Bhuwan also said that they would rather produce separate judgments, and now even to the fact it also had Vivek Jain also who was representing Arvind Kejriwal and ASG SV Raju also there. But now the pronouncement also began with Surya Kant also
Brian. All right, now what we can understand is that bail has been granted to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Supreme Court has granted him the bail in the CBI case, and right now as we can see that this is after a long wait that there has been relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal by the top court when bail has been granted in the CBI case, as the Aam Aadmi Party has been pressing for long time now on the release of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And this indeed is very significant to understand because it comes just few days ahead of the state assembly elections, and now also the Delhi elections that are going to happen next year. This is big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is going to be walking out of the jail as the CM has been granted bail by the apex court in the liquor gate, which had roped in the top brass of the Aam Aadmi Party and all the mass leadership which was lodged in the jail on the charges which had a very high level of corruption charges under several relevant sections in the Delhi excise policy. Brian, as we come live with you, detail also what are the observations by the Supreme Court over the judgment and the verdict that has pronounced bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, definitely, Simran, a big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party because definitely Arvind Kejriwal has been given bail, and also it's a relief for them, and the Supreme Court has also given as a verdict. But right now, if I tell you that yes, Suryakant has said that the applicant, that the latest that we are getting, that the applicant will not make any public comment on the merits of the case, and also he goes on to say that there will be conditions also that will be imposed in the ED matter and shall apply in the case also, and he should definitely cooperate fully with the TC as well. Even Bhuvan also on that said that on the necessity and the timing of the arrest also he has a different point of view also, and therefore there is a separate opinion also, and while conducting with the view that the applicant should be released and CBI's appearance should raise more questions than it answers. So definitely it's a big relief, and even post that also there will be a lot of formality that will be taken, because since it has the verdict has been given before the lunch, so he will most probably be given relief by 5 p.m. But there will be a lot of formalities that have been happening, a medical and everything will be getting done of the CM as well. But yes, there is a probable time that we are letting you know that 5 p.m. will be the time that he will be released from the very jail, also from very Tihar. But yes, again, there will be a lot of formalities that will be done. You talk about the medical that will be done, there will be a lot of tests has been done, and even to the fact now that we are letting you know that Bhuvan has said as grounds of the arrest are concerned, there would not be satisfied necessity of the arrest, and goes on to say that the CBI cannot justify arrest and continue detention citing evasive replies, and says that the accused can't be compelled to make any inculpatory statement. So, and definitely this is a big day, a big moment for Aam Aadmi Party. They have been struggling, rather Arvind Kejriwal, the entire Aam Aadmi Party was struggling to for their Supremo to be released soon, but there was a lot of hearing that was happening. But today the verdict has been come, and they will also be celebrating this moment, and this also becomes very important because Aam Aadmi Party has given out the 90 people, the 90 candidates, and Haryana elections also on way, it is also incoming, it is also coming. So definitely it is a moment of joy, it is a moment of celebration.
All right, Brian, I request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast while we also get on the phone line former MP of Delhi, Ramesh Biduri. Sir, good morning to you. As there has been a significant verdict today that has been pronounced by the Apex Court, and right now what we are tracking and learning at this point of time, that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is going to be walking out of the Tihar jail, and right now it is indeed a big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party. How does the BJP view these events as of now? Because the BJP has been pressing that the bail will not be granted, and this is indeed going to be a setback, which has now been overturned by the Apex Court.
मैडम, ये लीगल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजन है। किसी भी केस को जब उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है, जो रेपिस्ट होता है ना उसकी भी बेल होती है, मर्डर होता है उसकी भी बेल होती है, अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होता है। वो जो एविडेंस है उनको ब्रेक ना करे, एविडेंस को डिस्टर्ब ना करे, इसलिए जेल में रखा जाता है। जब एविडेंस अगर सेफ है, उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट हो गई है, तो वो राइट बनता है, उसके बाद ट्रायल में केस जाता है, ट्रायल में सजा होती है। अभी तो जैसे ही एक कहावत है बड़ी है गंदी सी की, जैसे हिजड़े के घर में बच्चा पैदा हो गए ऐसे लड्डू बांटेंगे, हमारी जीत हो गई, हमारी विजय हो गई। बेल होना विजय नहीं होता है। बेल इन्वेस्टिगेशन के खत्म होने के बाद हर व्यक्ति का राइट है, और डकैत की भी बेल होती है। जो डका डालता है ना, वो जब केस इन्वेस्टिगेशन पूरी हो जाती है 2 महीने में, 3 महीने में, चार्जशीट फ्रेम होने के बाद उसका वो एंटाइटल है, उसको बेल मिलेगी। उसमें कोई नई बात नहीं है ये।
पर रमेश जी, जिस तरीके से जस्टिस बुआन ने भी ये बात की है, आप लीगल साइड की जरूर बात कर रहे हैं, बट जिस तरीके से जस्टिस बुआन ने बात की है कि सीबीआई अब इस पे और साइटेशन नहीं कर सकती है और इसी तथ्यों पे बेल भी मिली गई है, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं से इशारा है और कहीं ना कहीं से बहुत ज्यादा एक तरीके से साइट किया गया है कि सीबीआई से ये केस खींच रहा था।
नहीं, इफ सीबीआई हैज कंप्लीटेड देयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो वो एंटाइटल है बेल का जी। अगर सीबीआई इसको, मैं ये नहीं मानता सीबीआई खींच रही है नहीं खींच रही, वो सीबीआई जाने, लेकिन अब सीबीआई से पूछा होगा कोर्ट ने कि भाई यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर इन्वेस्टिगेशन, और अगर सीबीआई ने कहा होगा कि वी हैव कंप्लीटेड, तो नेचुरल है उसका बेल का राइट बन के। कोई भी मुलजिम हो वो, एक्सेप्ट केजरीवाल भी, कोई भी हो, इन्वेस्टिगेशन के अंदर, फिर दोहराना चाहता हूं, कोई भी किसी एविडेंस को ब्रेक ना करे, उस पर नुकसान ना पहुंचाए। मुलजिम इससे पहले क्यों छूट जाया करते थे? 10 करोड़ 20 करोड़ के गुनाहगार क्यों छूटते थे? क्योंकि हमारा अंधा कानून कहा कहते हैं, सबूतों के आधार पर काम करता है कानून। सबूतों को अगर कोई मिटा देगा तो वो बरी हो जाएगा ट्रायल में। तो इसलिए सीबीआई ने अब इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट कर ली होगी और सारे तथ्य जुटा रहा होगा सीबीआई। कुछ चीजें बाकी रह गई होंगी, नहीं कर पाया होगा सीबीआई, इसलिए सीबीआई ने कहा होगा हमारे पास कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए और समय चाहिए। अब कोर्ट है, कोर्ट ने कह दिया होगा नहीं आपने इतने दिन में इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं की तो आपने थोड़ी लापरवाही की होगी, इसलिए अब इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन इतने दिन की होती है, 3 महीने 4 महीने की, तो ये ग्रांट बेल दी।
All right, former MP of BJP Ramesh Biduri has spoken to NewsX over how the BJP views the big relief to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the CBI case, and indeed it seems to have been a sigh of relief for the Aam Aadmi Party after months of him being behind the bars. Now viewers, also let me get across to my colleague Shubh Rana, who is joining us live from Aam Aadmi Party office. Shubh, right now what we can see is a very significant development coming after months of wait for the Aam Aadmi Party, and now Delhi Chief Minister has been granted the bail. Share more details from the ground as you're tracking. What is the mood there?
Yes, definitely, Simran. It feels like that today is the Diwali at Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Although Aam Aadmi Party big leaders have started posting on Twitter, they have been saying Satyamev Jayate. Atishi have written that Satya Parajit नहीं हो सकता, परेशान हो सकता है. This is what Aam Aadmi Party have been saying. Raghav Chadha have also reacted that we missed you, Arvind Kejriwal, and now you will be back. Reactions are pouring in from the Aam Aadmi Party, and there would be a press conference shortly. And definitely the Karyakartas of Aam Aadmi Party are very happy for the same, because people are being here, and they have been happy for the same. And since this is a big win for Aam Aadmi Party, and Simran, we are having a word today itself when the Haryana elections and Delhi elections are round the corner. Significant party, because he is termed as the spine of the party, and when he will be back today, by today itself, now the papers will be sent to Tihar authorities. After the completion of documents, Arvind Kejriwal will be out from the Tihar jail, and it is a big move. It would be seen that earlier when Arvind Kejriwal was out for 21 days, there was full celebration in the party cadre. But now, when he is back on the ground, he will be campaigning for Haryana election. He would be batting significant.
All right, so while we just try to restore the connection with you on the broadcast, let me also come live with Himanshu Bhatt, senior journalist, joining us on the broadcast. So very good morning to you, and we appreciate you joining us on the broadcast. As of now, there has been a significant development for the Aam Aadmi Party, and what we can see that at this point of time, the
और मात्र 2 लोग आज जेल में बचे थे, तो बेल तो मिलनी तय थी। मगर जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज केंद्र सरकार की इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसीज के बारे में कहा है, मुझे लगता है वो केंद्र सरकार के लिए बहुत बड़ी फटकार है। केंद्र सरकार की प्रीमियर एजेंसी को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि जो पिंजरे में तोते की बात सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहता था, वो आज भी सीबीआई और इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी के लिए है। और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ना सिर्फ सीबीआई इंडिपेंडेंट दिखे, इसका परसेप्शन हो कि ये इंडिपेंडेंट है। यानी कि कोर्ट ने कहा कि जिस बदमाशी से, छल कपट से सीबीआई ने देखा कि क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को बेल निचली अदालत ने दे दी, रेगुलर बेल दे दी, तो भाग के 22 महीने तक जिसको गिरफ्तार नहीं किया, उसको जाके झपट के गिरफ्तार किया। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कह दिया कि पूरी की पूरी केंद्र सरकार की
दबा सकते हो लेकिन मिटा नहीं सकते। भगवान के घर में देर है लेकिन अंधेर नहीं है। आज दोनों जज साहिबान के सहमति से फैसला है ये, और बहुत जल्द केजरीवाल जी बाहर आएंगे। चूँकि इस केस के बारे में माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय ने कई बार अपने बेल ऑर्डर्स के माध्यम से बताया कि भाई इसमें किस प्रकार का एविडेंस है। लेकिन आज जो फैसला आया है उससे आम आदमी पार्टी और उस हर व्यक्ति को आज खुशी है जो कि केजरीवाल जी की ईमानदार राजनीति विश्वास करता है।
मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में वो दफ्तर में काम करने को लेकर भी स्पष्टता नहीं आई।
देखिए, अभी हम जजमेंट को पढ़ेंगे, फिर आपको उस पर आप अपना कमेंट देंगे। लेकिन अब तो सब कुछ चुनावी के मूड में है। हरियाणा में चुनाव है, दिल्ली में कुछ समय बाद चुनाव है, तो मुझे लगता है कि भगवान ने बहुत सही समय इस न्याय को जनता के समक्ष आने दिया। जब हरियाणा हो या दिल्ली हो या जहां जम्मू कश्मीर हो या महाराष्ट्र हो, हर तरफ केजरीवाल जी जनता की उम्मीदों पे खरा उतरेंगे।
मतलब सवाल उनके मुख्यमंत्री दफ्तर अटेंड करने को लेकर उठाए जा सकते हैं, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय संयोजक के रूप में उनकी भूमिका का नकारा नहीं।
नेचुरल सी बात है, क्योंकि देखिए वैसे भी मैं तो बार बार यही बात कहता रहा हूं कि एक काल्पनिक
All right, viewers, there you see a significant development happening this morning. The much anticipated relief for the Aam Aadmi Party, as Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is now going to be walking out of the jail after months of being there inside the jail behind bars because of the charges that have been levelled in the CBI and the ED case in the now scrapped Delhi excise policies.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.